Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rafiq. Projections of line inclined to both the planes we were solving. Out of 7 questions, this is question number 3. Okay, so let us see what is given in the question. A line AB 90 mm long. So length of the line, the actual length of the line is 90 mm. So let us write given data. Actual length means true length is equals to how much? 90 mm. It is inclined, that line is inclined 45 degree to HP. So inclination with HP is theta, inclination with VP is phi. So inclination with HP is 45. So HP inclination and VP inclination we will always take with true lengths. These are called true inclinations which will be taken with true lengths. Okay. So theta is equals to 45 degree. So true length theta, inclination with HP, and if given phi, that is inclination with VP, these two inclinations will be taken with this length. These two inclinations means another one, if it is given inclination with VP phi, so this will not be taken with front view and top view. Remember that. With front view and top view, apparent inclinations will come, that is called alpha and beta. That I have explained in the first video, that is first question of this topic. Okay, next what is given? Its top view makes an angle of 60 degree with XY line. The line is not making 60 degree with VP. Top view is making 60 degree with XY line. So they are talking about beta. That is top view inclination, apparent inclination. If it is inclined with VP, then that 60 degree we can take with 90 mm. This is not inclination with VP. This is inclination given with respect to XY line, and this is the top view inclination which is beta. So it will be taken with TV, top view. Okay, next while solving we will see this. Okay, end A is in HP. Okay, so let us try to solve this. XY line, end A is in HP. So A will be on, assume this is end A is in the HP and the line is 90 mm long and making 45 degree with respect to HP. So this much data we will do first. Assume this is 90 mm long line, A dash, this is B1 dash, this is not the final end, so we will keep B1. So 45 degree with respect to HP, true inclination we have taken with true length. Okay, true inclination theta with respect to HP it is 45, so it is taken with TL. Now end A is in HP, so inside HP we have taken, if it is above HP we would have taken little up. Now the same end A is 12 mm in front of VP, so 12 mm down we should go. In front of VP means below the XY line. How much it is below? 12 mm. Okay, in front of VP. Draw its front view, find its true inclination with VP. So front view we need to draw, or length of front view we need to find, and true inclination with VP means phi value we need to find. Phi will be of this true length in the top view. Okay, beta is top view inclination. Let us see, this much only they have given. As soon as you got the end point, as I said, we need to immediately draw the locus. Okay, so in any question you take, projection of line inclined to both the planes, they will give you only 3 things. Here also they have given 3 things, 1, 2 and 3. That's all. With 3 given data, we can draw the projection of line which is inclined to both the planes, and we can find out other data also. Okay, so as I said, here construction line you can draw any length. Okay, now true length need to be projected up to this level and then rotated. Before that, here we will utilize this. Top view is at 60 degree. So here 60 degree you take and just go some length we don't know, just what we know is beta is 60 degree. This is beta 60 degree top view. Length we don't know. So what you need to do, take this projector down and rotate it with this radius. This is the center rotating. So wherever you are getting this end point, that is your final end B. So this is A, this is B. This is your final what? Top view. This is top view. This is not true length. Why? Because this is beta. Now here is the end point. Draw the locus. Okay. Now what to do? As soon as you got the locus, you know true length. Okay. You can take 90 mm as a radius. Keep it here. You can draw the arc here. Like this. I will take from here to here. So this is your B2. So this, if we join, this is your true length, and this angle is your true inclination, that is phi, or inclination with vertical plane is phi. True inclination will be with true length. This is apparent inclination or top view inclination, which will be taken with top view. Okay, now project this true length upward. So from here we have taken. Now from here, this is the center, this is the radius. Rotate this in this direction. So we have got another end. So this is your B dash. Final front view. This is final top view. Okay. So this angle, if you see, this is alpha, which is not asked as of now. So what is asked? Phi is asked. Front view length is asked. So front view length you need to measure like this, or you can show, or you can put it in the result. Okay. So projections we have drawn. Here I will explain you as an overview. 90 mm long line with respect to HP 45 degree, and this end A is inside the HP. It is not above the HP, and the line is in front of VP 12 mm. So earlier we have drawn A dash in the VP, and it is 12 mm in front of VP. A is in HP, here in front of VP A. This is A dash A. Okay. Then the line is 90 mm and 45 degree to HP. So 90 mm long line is this one. 45 degree inclination with respect to HP we have taken. So as soon as we got the end point of this line TL, we have drawn the locus. After that, the line is making 60 degree with XY line. This is top view, that is final beta angle. Earlier they have given this phi in the first problem. Now they have given this beta as a top view angle. So 60 degree you take it and draw a line. Length of the line we don't know. Then project this true length here up to this level. From here take this as center, this as radius, rotate it. We will be getting one point here, that is B. A to B if you join, you will be getting top view. As soon as you got this point, draw the locus. Then from here again go to AB, which is how much? 90 mm long. So take this as center, 90 mm, you can draw the arc. From this point project it vertically upward till this XY line, because A level, A dash level here. From here take this radius, rotate it. It will cut somewhere here at the locus, that is B dash. This is final front view, this is final top view. So whatever asked in the question, that you can mention in the result below. Okay. As one more time, inclination with HP is called theta. Inclination with VP is called phi. So theta and phi will always be taken with true length. Okay. Front view inclination, that is this front view inclination is alpha. Top view inclination, this was given in the question, is beta. So beta 60 degree here, front view inclination alpha. This is anyhow not asked in the question, so we won't keep. Just for knowledge I have given this. Okay. So this alpha and beta 60 degree, this is beta 60 degree. This two will be taken with front view and top view. These are called apparent inclinations. Okay. Anything, if you have doubts, please comment it, and further in the next videos I will be solving question number 4, 5 and so on. Okay. If you like the explanation, please subscribe to my channel share with your friends. Okay, thanks for watching everyone.